When it comes to protecting the wild kingdom, nothing is more important than the survival of offspring. Baby animals are the next generation of life that'll carry a species into the future.
But the youngest among us are also the most vulnerable, with the first year of life posing the toughest challenges. For instance, just 1 in 1,000 sea turtle hatchlings will make it to maturity. So this morning, I'm visiting the sunny beaches of Florida to see how scientists at Mote Marine Laboratory and Aquarium are trying to help.
So in this lab area here, you have a young turtle that came in that was found in a marina. You saved it. Now what's going to happen next here?
So we just want to make sure he's gaining enough weight, growing properly. In a week, he'll go back out. We'll find a weed line and let him go.
Up you go. Okay. Getting ready for his release.
Ready? 45.79 is when he was last measured, and when he came in, he was 45.78.
And this is a good sign. He's growing.
He's definitely growing.
Good. And next week, he goes out, right?
He goes out.
Thanks to helping hands like these, thousands of precious hatchlings will get a second chance at life. Out of the 7 species of sea turtles on Earth, 5 make their nest in Florida. This morning, a brand new sea turtle nest was spotted right here on Longboat Key Beach. I'm with David Mizajewski from the National Wildlife Federation.
So how many nests do you get on this beach annually?
On this beach, we get about 1,000 nests each year, but we cover 35 miles, which is 5 different islands and beaches, and in that area, we get 3,000 to 5,000.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
There's a nest where hatchlings actually emerged last night, and we could see their little tracks going down to the beach,
Yes,
right?
there is, and it's just right down the beach a little bit.
So this is the nest right
This is the nest, yeah. You can see the hatch from here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at this. These have all hatched out. You can see the track.
And they all go directly to the water, so we know that all of these guys made it at least to the ocean.
It looks like they're almost in a formation here.
Yes.
And I'm looking at the width of all the tracks. There must be 40 or 50 separate tracks in there.
At least, yeah. I would say we could have easily 70, 75,
So this looks
90.
like a successful hatch.
I would say this is probably a pretty successful
Well,
nest.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Is there really valuable data you can determine from the remaining eggshells?
That is the core of the data, is we're gonna count to figure out how successful the hatch was. So
Great.
using this nest with all of the other ones that are part of that sample to figure out the overall hatch success of the island.
And each nest has, what, roughly 100 eggs in it?
Yeah,
Wow.
on average. Part of why sea turtles lay so many nests and have so many eggs in each nest is to put as many out as possible in the hopes that 1 or 2 make it to adulthood to replace them in the population.
So the conservation work happening here on Florida's beaches is vital to recovering this endangered species.